Okay, hello and welcome. Well, today what we're going to cover is the 9 ball flights that we're interested in our golf swing. So using these 9 ball flights, you're going to be able to analyze what you're doing right and wrong, and from that be able to pick the type of drills that you need to fix it up. So here's the 9 different flights that we're interested in. So the first type of ball flight that you can get is the perfect one where the ball flies dead straight. So if you have a target out in front of you, let's say the 75 sign is my target, all right, the ball will take off from here and will fly pretty much without deviation all the way to the target, and we call that a straight shot. The second ball flight that we're interested in is the one that we call the draw shot. So the draw shot is a ball that starts off for a right-hander just a little bit to the right of target, and it curls back in and finishes on target. All right, so it takes off a little bit to the right and finishes on target, and that is what we call a draw shot. Traditionally, most people like a draw because it's thought of as being one that goes a little bit longer and is a little bit easier to control. The third shot that we're looking at is what's known as the fade shot. A lot of strong golfers will play the fade shot, and it is in effect a shot that will start off for a right-hander to the left of target, and it will curl back and finish on target. Again, a lot of strong players will use that shot because it will tend to increase the backspin on the ball, so when the ball hits the green, it lands nice and soft. The fourth shot that we're interested in is one that we call the push. So the push is when, if I'm aiming straight towards the camera, the push is the ball that takes off a little bit off to the right but never comes back. So it starts for a right-hander to the right, and it'll fly pretty much in a straight line. Then we have what is known as the pull shot. So the fifth shot that we're looking at is the pull shot. So the pull shot for a right-hander will start off to the left and predominantly flies in a straight line but stays way left of target. The sixth shot that we're looking at is one that's called the hook. Now effectively what will happen with a hook is, for a right-hander, the ball will start off to the right of target, all right, very much like the draw shot, but then it swings too much in the air, and so it goes past target and will finish somewhere left of target. So that's known as the hook shot. Starts right, swings hard left. The seventh flight that we're interested in is the one that's called the slice shot. Now the slice, again for a right-hander, will take off to the left of target, all right, starts coming back, but then it goes off to the right. Okay, so it goes somewhere right of target, and that is known as the slice shot. Ball flight number 8. So the next one that we're interested in is what we call a push slice. So for a right-hander, the ball starts to the right of target, but then it actually moves even more to the right in the air, and it's quite a lousy shot. It's not one that we really like. So it starts right and then it slices off at the end as well. So that's the push slice. And ball flight number 9 is what's known as the pull hook. So as you might already have guessed, the ball will start left of target for a right-hander, and then rather than flying straight, it actually ends up hooking or curving to the left in the air. So it's known as the pull hook. And that makes up the 9 ball flights that we're generally interested in. So the 9 ball flights. Ball flight number 1 is the straight shot. Ball flight number 2 is the draw shot. Ball flight number 3 is the fade shot. Ball flight number 4 is the push. Ball shot number 5 is the pull. Ball flight number 6 is the hook, takes off right. Ball flight number 7 is the slice. Ball flight number 8 is the push slice. And ball flight number 9 is the pull draw.